In this quick tutorial, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to find and unlock WhatsApp chat without any stress. So let's move on. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this guide useful and you're very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. So with that being said, let's get started.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to quickly find locked chat and how to unlock chat on WhatsApp. A step-by-step tutorial. So the very first thing you need to do is to open up your WhatsApp. Having opened up your WhatsApp, then the locked chat is going to be hidden in your chat history in WhatsApp. What you want to do is to just drag down this way, then you have locked chat right here. Okay, so for you to unlock this chat, just tap unlock chat, then use your fingerprint or lock pattern to unlock the chat. Boom, the chat has been successfully unlocked. So this is how to unlock chat on WhatsApp and start chatting with a contact without any stress. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about WhatsApp tricks. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.